Right, we're with Brum's biggest ASBO'S today. You want to come join us? We got Malik and Asim. Nasty whips, innit?
Oh yeah.
To be fair, it's completely standard. All it's got so far is an M Performance body kit, but I do have a lot of plans for it in the future. So obviously, intercooler, sports cat / D-cat, intake, full custom exhaust, the whole works. The only thing it's missing right now is a spoiler, so that will be on order.
What do you like about the car? She's quite curvaceous.
Yeah, so obviously my favourite thing, which everyone spots straight off the bat, is the colour. The colour, and with the M Performance side skirts and everything, it just sets it off differently. So I'm more than happy with this car, the way it looks, everything. I feel like it's already built from factory, you know, how I would like it. So
it's tastefully done. If you're wondering why it's dirty, you don't gotta ask her. That's the thing, Malik likes to customize his car. We've come along at a time where the car's completely stock.
Completely stuck. So if you come back to me, let's say within less than a year, it'll be a whole different car. We'll have gone through stage 1, hopefully, stage 2, and then eventually stage 3.
Is that you?
That's another car. That was my car, I'd be screaming. You know, it's always wiggling all over the place, so it's just playing around with it.
And that's the thing, you're 22 with a car like this.
Yeah.
What does it take to earn something like this? How does it make you feel when you hop in this every day?
Bro, every day, you know, when I just look at it alone, I'm overwhelmed. You know, it's my dream car sitting on my drive. It took a lot of work. Obviously, I worked ever since I was like about 16, non-stop. You know, I went all the way, bought the 218, went to the 420. So obviously I leveled up slowly, but I'm more than happy with where I am right now. You know, my dream car, literally right in front of me. Every time I look at it, smile. Every time I sit in it, smile. Driving it, listening to it, everything's perfect.
Asim, tell me about it.
This is my baby, but hold on, we gotta do it properly. If you want it matching, there you go.
Oi, oi, oi.
That's how we match it round here. Like, so this is my baby. It's only a 2-litre 320i, so we don't get much horsepower gains, but obviously insurance and everything. You all understand that topic, right?
How old are you, Asim?
I'm 22. I've just turned 22 as well. So this is my modified ASBO'S.
Wait, 22. Both of these ASBO'S are 22 and they're running cars like this. How do you afford this? Are you two drug dealers or something?
Yeah, street pharmacists. We probably call street pharmacists.
Oh,
Yeah.
makes sense. Right.
This is, from what I know, I may be wrong, but this is the UK's only 320i M Sport it's got sports cat in it, if you know what I mean. So UK's only one, shoots flames here and there. It's completely straight through. Best thing about the whole car are the exhausts. The exhausts, they are dirty, but
Oh, he's touching the tip.
as you can see, as you can see, well, you can't really see because there's so much steam there, but they're like burnt blue exhaust tips to match the paintwork of the car.
Yo, this car is letting out gas and pops like a flipping lactose intolerant person.
Do you want to hear the pops and bangs? Do you want to hear the pops?
I don't really. I want to keep my ears healthy. I'm going to get 70-year-old ears listening
It
to
sounds
that.
like a V8. Everybody does say this car sounds like a V8. So I'll let you be the judgment of that.
You know what? It's got some grunt to it. It does have some grunt to it.
It's definitely got some grunt to it. Bear in mind, from what I know, when I'm driving, everybody thinks it's 335i, just the way it sounds.
That's what it's all about. It's having fun. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
we're young, we're dumb.
Yeah.
We just want to have some fun.
We're young, we're dumb.
It's true.
Money pits.
Yeah, literally, that's what it is. You got one life. Just go do what you want. Don't do drugs, but if you want to spend money on cars than drugs, whole lot better.
Yo, no face, no case in it, you know what I'm saying? We out here in Brum with these two bad boys. They're dirty bitches, but that's how we like it in here, you know what I'm saying? They got a few scuffs, a few marks, but have no character without that. These are the stretch marks of the thighs. This is the dust between the cheeks, you know what I'm saying? The extra flavour. Come on, cousin. I'm not playing.
You want to know how much MPG I get in this?
What?
This is straight facts. 16.2. On the motorway, it gets 22.5 or 23 at best.
I reckon your car gets better.
Mine gets 18.
18.
Standard, yeah.
The 3 litre beats the 2 litre naturally aspirated.
I take it on the M-way, so I don't know what it's like on an M-way, but 18 otherwise, man.
Then again, you want to say smiles per gallon. That's all that counts. That's
I'll say
literally
that
all
when I
that
get to the petrol station.
That's why you ain't got diesels at the end of the day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
literally, I
100%,
don't.
man.
I'll be honest, if you got a diesel, big up to you, but I don't rate them at all. I'm like, all you get is like airplane jet noise if you straight pipe them, so.
Like a bus, man.
Literally, you're like, but
Listen, if you got a diesel and you want to challenge the Birmingham races, yeah, hit up in the comments. I want to see you. I see you Leons out there. Thomas the Tank Engine, chewing up smoke. If you think you've got smoke on these guys, leave it in the comments.
That's it, man. That's the one, man. Let's go.
Ask him f off, man. He got into a bit of a race,
Yeah, man. Left me alone, man.
and that's pretty much it. We've had a fun time. We've had a good day.
Nice meeting you, man.
It's nice meeting you too, my bro.
That's it, man. Nice meeting the cameraman. Yeah. It's been a bit of an adventure. You know, I haven't sent a car like today in ages, man.
You're still getting used to the car,
That's
that's
it
the
as well,
thing.
man. You guys making me send it like crazy. You're gonna have to do a whole detail on that whole
It's
side of the
control.
car.
It's controlled peer pressure, guys. So we're gonna give it some, send it down this trip, and then we'll be out.
That's it, man.
Nothing more, nothing less. What the fuck, man? What are you doing in my house? It's not my yard. It's not my house. It's not my house. Who the fuck are you?
Hi, Paji, come back to bed.
Oh, okay. Get the fuck off my house, bro. Not every video has to be so serious. It's all about having fun from time to time. Tune in next time where we meet Monty.